Thank you for your purchase of Toys for Kids Ride On. This product comes with attractive color options, steering wheel, musical head with sturdy plastic body. You need to follow these steps in order to assemble the product. You will also need a screwdriver and piler to assemble. In step 1, take the main body, insert the front complete into main body. Now place steering to front fork complete. In the next step, fix steering with the help of nut and bolt. Step 5, attach the backrest to main body by hand pressing. In the next step, open the battery cap and insert 2 AAA batteries. In the last step, close the battery cap. Your Toys Phase Cow Rider is now ready to use.